Good morning, children. Children, now take a book, page number 24. Today we are going to see the letter E. We are going to see capital letter E and small letter E. This is capital letter E. This is small letter E. Okay, children? What picture is this? Engine. E for engine. What picture is this, children? See here, eyes. So E for eyes. This is empty. Empty box. Okay, children? So E for empty. This is egg. E for egg. Circle capital letter E. So we are going to circle the capital letter E. Okay. See here, children. Only capital letter E you have to circle. Other letters don't circle, children. Okay. Circle small letter E. So now we have to circle only the small letter E. See here, children, only small letter E you have to circle. Okay. You also circle in your book. Take the picture whose name starts with the letter E. So you are going to take the pictures whose name starts with the letter E. Okay, children. E for eyes. So we have to tick. What picture is this? Ice cream. So ice cream starts with letter I. So we should not tick. This is teddy bear. So teddy bear starts with the letter T. So we should not tick. This is egg. E for egg. So we should tick. What letter is this, children? Capital letter E. See here, this is elephant picture. In this they have given capital letter E in dotted lines. So now we are going to trace the dotted lines. Okay, children, see here. For writing capital letter E, put one standing line like this. Again, on the top of the standing line, put one sleeping line. In between, another sleeping line, and then touch the standing line and put one sleeping line like this. This is capital letter E. Small letter E. See here, children, this is eagle picture. In this picture they have given small letter E in dotted lines. So now we are going to trace the dotted lines. Okay, children? Children, for writing small letter E, put one sleeping line like this and then go up, put one right curve. Okay, children, and then you have to come like this and stop. This is small letter E. Now for writing capital letter E, we are going to write in the 4 lines, students. This is capital letter E. Okay. See here. Touch on the first red line and then put one standing line. You have to stop it on the second blue line. And then again you have to touch at the top of the standing line and put one sleeping line in the first red line, and then put another sleeping line in the first blue line. The sleeping line should be small. Okay, children, and then again in the second blue line you have to touch on the standing line like this and then put another sleeping line on the second blue line. This is capital letter E. Okay, children, see, touch on the first red line, put one standing line, it should come and stop on the second blue line. Again, children, now touch on the first red line and put one sleeping line, and then touch on the first blue line, again another sleeping line. Again you have to touch on the third blue line and then put another sleeping line like this. This is capital letter E. Okay, children? Like this you also write in all the lines and complete it. Now for writing small letter E, see here, children, we have to use the 2 blue lines. First blue line, second blue line. Okay. Children, between these 2 blue lines, put one sleeping line. Again, you have to touch the first blue line put one right curve, come down, touch the second blue line and stop like this. This is small letter E. Okay children, between these two blue lines put one sleeping line and then you have to go and touch the first blue line, put one right curve, come down, touch the second blue line and stop it like this. This is small letter E. Like this you also write in all the lines and complete it. Children, now we are going to write capital letter E and small letter E in the note. Okay children, see here 4 lines. First red line, second blue line, third blue line and fourth one is red line. Okay children, for writing capital letter E, you have to touch on the first red line and put one standing line. It should come and stop on the second blue line. Again, you have to touch the standing line. At the top of the standing line you have to touch and put one sleeping line on the red line like this. Okay children, and then another sleeping line in the first blue line. Okay, like this. Sleeping line should be small. Okay, and then in the third blue line again put another sleeping line like this. Okay children, this is capital letter E. Now for writing small letter E, see here first blue line and second blue line. You are going to write in this 2 blue lines. Okay children, see here we have to put one sleeping line and then put one right curve. You have to go and touch on the first blue line and then put one right curve and then you have to stop on the second blue line like this. This is small letter E. Now for writing capital letter E, touch on the first red line and then put one standing line. It should come and stop on the second blue line. Again you have to touch on the first red line and then put one sleeping line like this and then again another sleeping line on the first blue line. This sleeping line should be small children. Second blue line you have to put another sleeping line like this. This is capital letter E. Now small letter E, in between the 2 blue lines put one sleeping line. You have to put one right curve. You have to go and touch the first blue line and then put one right curve like this and then should come and stop on the second blue line. This is small letter E. Like this you also write in all the lines and complete it. That's all for today's class. Thank you. Take care. Bye.